This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune United 3. Bhuti kunjani?
Ngiyaphila kunjani Mapholo?
Siyaphila man.
Pholi Mapholo.
Uzizwa kanjani eGebe namhlanje?
Inhlungu zikhonyana kodwa hayi kakhulu. Kunokwenzeka into ezinje vele siyazi expect.
Senzeka exactly.
Yeah, singamakhosi uyazi vele. Lasuka khona sesiyazi sijwayele kakhulu induku. Anyway, apart from that, kule season, this game was the A-grade match yasemzansi ye-PSL. That one you must remember.
Yeah.
Isikhukhune ne-Kaizer Chiefs, they were on top of the league. I-Sundowns bese iphezulu with a game in hand.
Exactly.
So it is something had to give in this game. So now, Kaizer Chiefs has got a master technician. Good long yeah, Unabi. Unabi, his cooking sometimes they become too salty. Yeah, and then so that's why before we prepare the dish. Makuvala season sithema sivula season but sharp abafana engekho yena so ubuyile uyafaka futhi sawuthi uyabona isawuthi linokubaba kancane uyabona but anyway it's part of the game uyabona so from what it is Chiefs and the Chiefs community banga give up yena upheka kakhulu kodwa sometimes ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe kumele ayona kumfazi
Siyabuza. Yo siyabonga kakhulu baba.
Mangahamba for 6 months makabuye uzothola ukuthi lama waiter wakhe cha akunama assistant iyenzekile na ku Sundowns bekunama 3 awu Nicodemus and what bebayi 3 naye yena manje yilesibani lesesikhulu so mathi nje njengoba ashaya irecipe ashift laba baphake laba bathu bayakwazi ukuphaka
For your soccer updates, visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.